I'm Tyler Thompson, Director of Building Operations for Oklahoma State University, Center for Health Science, Tulsa, and Medicine. Before it was just, hey, I think we need to replace this. Now it's very much, hey, I can look back on the history in these 2 years and I know I've spent X amount of money on this piece of equipment that's only worth this much money. Now we can get some more efficient piece of equipment in there and save the university, this much money moving forward. Being able to implement FMX everywhere has kind of brought us together as a team. We're one team, one fight, we're all together. It's helped us out tremendously. It feels good. It definitely feels good to be able to look at data and make a decision that is going to be the best decision for the place that you love, the place that you work, your home away from home, that you spend so much time there and with the people and with the university, and you kind of pour everything into it, and knowing that you're making an informed decision makes you feel good rather than a decision that you're not really sure about.
My name is Denver Long. I'm the Construction Service Manager for Oklahoma State University in Tulsa. Our preventative maintenance is definitely more streamlined with FMX than it was previously. As a university that has thousands of pieces of equipment to keep track of, it's important to know that every single one of them's being maintained and the property is being taken care of for everybody that relies on it. I think being able to interact with customers through FMX is incredibly helpful. Just be able to send a quick response and them being able to interact as well. I think that gives them a little bit of peace of mind.
My name is Angelyn Holmes, and I'm the Director of Facilities Management for Oklahoma State University in Tulsa. It's our responsibility to make sure that our students have a place to learn. It's important that our patients have a place where they can receive medical care. It's important that our faculty members have a place to conduct research. And that's the responsibility that we take on in facilities. FMX has allowed us to take all of the work requests that we're given, put it in one clearinghouse, so to speak, and we can all work on one system. We can report up to leadership so they know where we're at, and there's no more just, kind of forgetting about something or not knowing where we are in the process. We want to provide professional services to our customers, and FMX allows us to do just that. It's very easy to retrieve information, and it also allows the team to see how much they're getting done in relation to others in their department, and we use it as a reward. I really didn't think that FMX reports would be a morale booster, but it truly has been.